Welcome to the lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share lab content on your socials. We're going to explore something really exciting in the world of blockchain, level 2 blockchains. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. First, let's quickly revisit what a level 1 blockchain is. Think of it as the foundation of a building. It handles all the basic functions, like processing transactions and maintaining security. Examples are Bitcoin and Solana. Now, imagine if we wanted to build more floors on our building to make it even better. That's where level 2 blockchains come in. They work on top of the level 1 blockchains, adding new features and improving performance. Level 2 solutions are like adding extra lanes to a highway to help with traffic. They help speed up transactions and reduce fees without changing the main blockchain. This is super important because it helps blockchains handle more transactions more quickly. There are different types of level 2 solutions. One popular example is payment channels. These are like private fast lanes where you can make multiple transactions without having to record each one on the main blockchain. This makes payments faster and cheaper. Another example is sidechains. These are separate blockchains that run alongside the main blockchain. They can have their own rules and features, and they help manage some transactions and activities off the main blockchain, reducing congestion and costs. The benefits of level 2 solutions are huge. They make transactions faster, reduce fees, and help the main blockchain handle more activities without getting bogged down. This means a better experience for everyone using blockchain technology. To wrap it up, level 2 blockchains build on top of level 1 blockchains to enhance performance, speed up transactions, and lower costs. They're like adding new floors to make the blockchain even better. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you understand level 2 blockchains a little better.